Okay, this is very simple. For US tax purposes, are you a US person? Now, if you click yes, then they will probably ask you for more information like your social security number, etc. I don't have that. I'm not a US person, so I'm going to click no. But I believe if you are from the US, then you would understand how to get through the next stage of it. So I'm going to click no and click on save and continue. Okay, now it comes for tax information interview. You have selected that you are a non-US person for tax purposes. We will now gather your personal to complete the application IRS tax form. Type of beneficial owner, and this is what you need to select. Okay, if you're a corporation, partnership, and things like that. Okay, I recommend to keep things easier. Click on individual. Anyway, when Amazon pays you a check, it's going to be to your name, so there's no real need to go through and select the other stuff. Keep it individual. And country of citizenship, select search for the country that you are from. I'm going to select Malaysia. Malaysia. And the full name is very important because you don't want Amazon to issue the check to the wrong name. Okay, are you acting as an intermediary? No. And then put in your permanent address. Again, Amazon has my address because I'm an Amazon shopper, and I also have other Amazon associates or affiliate account. So you need to select your permanent address and your mailing address. If it's different, you can select others, but I'm going to click same as permanent address. Okay, and now for US person test individuals. Okay, US tax law requires Amazon to test whether any of the following conditions apply that would change your tax status for US tax purposes from a non-US person to a US person. Okay, select all the items that apply. I don't have a valid US passport. Born in the US? Nope. Valid green card? Nope. Spent time in the US in the past 3 years? Nope. Okay, and please confirm where the services provided to Amazon will be performed. Okay. All services are performed outside the US. That's why I recommend you to put. Although your web hosting account may be in the US, but it doesn't really matter. And I will, okay, yes, I will provide notification in writing or by retaking the tax information interview. It seems like a lot of hassle because it is a lot of hassle. US taxation law is a lot of hassle. But if you go through this once, then you don't have to do it again. All right. Tax identification number. I have a US tax identification number. If you've paid tax in the US before, I have a foreign non-US income tax identification number. I have both a US. I do not have. Okay. So if you have paid tax in your own country, you can select I have a foreign non-US income tax identification number. If you have never paid tax before, you can select I do not have a US or foreign non-US income tax identification number. Save and continue. Alright, and now it comes under tax information interview, treaty benefits. You may be eligible to claim a reduced rate, country of residence. Okay, you can just select the country that you're from. Okay, if the country is not in this list, then you can just select non-treaty country. Okay. All right, and you'll be asked for your tax identification number as well. Now, if you think that Amazon has no business knowing all this information, then you can just select I do not have a tax number. Save and continue. All right, and this is the famous W-8BEN. And this is a required taxation form for all affiliates who are not in the United States. So you may have skipped this part when you're setting up your account, but if you have earned anything in Amazon other than the Amazon gift card, you'll be eventually required to set up this form anyway. So I recommend spending the initial stages to get this done so that when you earn a commission, you won't have anything that is going to affect you getting a check from Amazon when you are outside the US. All right, so and click on save and continue. Okay, so basically Amazon is asking you over here if you allow them to submit the form as a digital form or the electronic form, or if you want the documents to be mailed to you. You can just select I consent to electronic receipt of my information reporting documentation, okay, and the electronic signature as well. So in the form that you just saw earlier, okay, let me go back. So in this form, this is an actual form that you can actually ask Amazon to print it out and send it to you, where you can actually put your signature over here and fax it back to Amazon. All right, but I think there's a bit too much hassle, so I'll just say yes, I allow them to submit an electronic version and I consent to provide my electronic signature. Okay, you go through this. It's a lot of hassle, I agree. It's really a lot of hassle, you know. But this is very typical of any US based affiliate programs. Okay, and I will enter my name over here. Okay, put in my email address, and this will be the electronic signature and capacity, individual, submit. All right, your tax form W8 has been received. The progress is 100%. Wow, that took a long time. And now let's click on exit interview. Finally, now we are in the Amazon Associates program, and this is the main site where you will start to promote all your products, view your commission or earnings, and look at all the other tools as well. I will explain in the next video how to actually get started with the Amazon Associates program.